That's funny. All right, let's go look at this smoked chicken and this jerk chicken. It's time to spray it down. For all you who watch my channel, who subscribers, y'all know I always say the same thing. Keep it moist. That's your choice. So, let's check out this smoked jerk chicken. Damn it, boy. On that hickory. Been out here a little less than 2 hours. So, we give it the sugar bell bath. Can't tell you what's in it. It ain't that Iowa mop sauce. It ain't that. But anybody from Chicago could probably guess. That jerk chicken on it. Look at that 20 grams you can jam sauce. Right there, buddy. It's cooking in just nice. Outstanding. Don't get no better than that, amigo. Both sides, buddy. We cooking this all the way to the bone. No red in the bone. Like I said, a lot of people, you know, you want your stuff cooked completely, not partially. You got the smoked chicken up top and your jerk on the bottom. I can drip the smoke down on the jerk, but not the other way around. You have 72 total pieces of chicken. Outstanding. That's about another hour and a half, and I'm going to take it off, and we're going to get down with the get down, baby.